There's now charges against the suspect. Police say used a 10-year-old boy as a human shield during a 30-hour hostage standoff. Will now go before a grand jury. Larry Davis is live for us in Butler County with new information on the case from a hearing today. Hi, Larry.
Hi, Rob. This case has been on a fast track to the grand jury. Just yesterday, Donald Gazaway appeared during a video arraignment here at Butler County Area 2 Court. Today, he made an in-person appearance as a detective outlined the case against him. Donald Gazaway was led into Butler County Area 2 Court, charged with kidnapping, felonious assault, and inducing panic. Gazaway is accused of holding a 10-year-old boy hostage for 30 hours at a Liberty Township apartment complex. In the only court testimony today, Butler County Sheriff's Detective Joe Nerlinger described the first verbal contact with Gazaway at the scene.
They made contact over the phone, and he stated that the child was not going to be coming out. That ended communication. There was some shots fired inside the house.
During the course of the standoff, the detective testified that several shots were fired inside and outside the apartment where the boy was held at gunpoint as a human shield.
When we were posted up and negotiations were being made, we could hear the juvenile child screaming, crying. Why are you doing?
You were also able to hear that?
Yes, ma'am. Let me go. Let me go.
Some of those bullets struck a Sheriff's Department robot and an armored SWAT vehicle. The deputies inside were not injured. Outside of court today, Detective Nerlinger admitted there was a time during the standoff all wondered how it would end.
We were all scared for him, scared that this guy was going to start firing. We didn't know what he was thinking, what he was going to do. We didn't know what was going to happen. So we were pretty ecstatic when he came out when the child was unharmed.
Today's hearing concluded with Gazaway being let out of the courtroom after the judge bound the case over to a Butler County grand jury. And Rob, Detective Nerlinger testified the boy is doing well considering what he went through over the weekend. He says the boy's mother suffered a slight head injury after being pistol whipped prior to the standoff. Live in Hamilton, Larry Davis, Local 12 News. Rob, back to you.
Larry, thanks very much. The Butler County detective also said they recovered at least 25 shell casings. They were inside the apartment and around the garage, plus 3 weapons, 2 handguns, and a